Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Valentine's gift is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation and affection to the special teen girl in your life, and finding that perfect present can feel like a quest to balance trendy desires with genuine sentiment, ensuring your gift resonates deeply and creates a memorable moment she'll cherish long after the chocolates are gone and the flowers have faded, making her feel truly seen and celebrated on this day of love. Number 5. Sam and Lori Inspirational Bracelets. Discover the perfect gift with our beautiful collection. These bracelets are designed to inspire and delight. They are more than just accessories. Crafted for teens and women, they make meaningful presents for daughters, sisters, moms, or friends. Everyone will cherish these special tokens. Each piece carries an uplifting message, making it more than just jewelry. It's a daily reminder of strength and love. You can choose from various designs. Designed for comfort, these bracelets are easily adjustable to fit various wrist sizes. You can wear them all day with ease. They ensure a perfect fit for anyone. Arriving in a pretty gift box, they are ready to be presented to your loved ones. No extra wrapping needed, just pure joy. It makes gifting effortless. What we like. If you're looking for a gift that offers daily encouragement and can be worn by anyone, this is a fantastic choice. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit, making it a versatile present for various wrist sizes. This is ideal if you want to give a meaningful, personal touch that lasts. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Number 4. SANNYRA Charms Bracelets for Women, Heart Initial. Discover the perfect blend of trend and personalization with these elegant bracelets. They are designed to add a touch of charm to any woman's wrist. Each piece features a beautiful heart charm, paired with an initial of your choice. This makes it uniquely yours or a thoughtful gift for someone special. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these bracelets are built to last. They offer both durability and a brilliant shine that won't tarnish. Whether for a birthday, Christmas, or a confirmation, it makes an ideal present. Show your appreciation with a gift that truly stands out. Its trendy design ensures it complements any outfit, from casual to formal. You'll love how easily it integrates into your everyday style. With all 26 letters available, finding the perfect initial is effortless. This ensures a truly personalized touch for every recipient. What we like. This bracelet offers a beautiful way to personalize a gift with an initial, making it truly unique. Its trendy heart charm and durable stainless steel construction mean it will be cherished for years. If you like a stylish, personalized accessory that's also built to last, this is a great option. What people say. Number 3. DIY Heart Puzzle Night Light Kit for Girls. Inspire imagination and hands-on fun with this heart-shaped 3D lantern kit. It's the perfect gift for girls aged 8 to 12, including everything needed to build, decorate, and light up a stunning night light that doubles as personalized room decor. This project features easy-to-assemble panels, safe LED lighting, and decorative elements. Kids engage in a step-by-step process that builds their confidence, sparks creativity, and results in a unique finished lantern. All its components are made with child-safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring peace of mind. Illustrated instructions are included, designed for independent crafting or family bonding experiences, and no extra tools are required. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Ideal for tweens and preteens who love DIY, arts and crafts, or adding personality to their space. It encourages screen-free activity and mindful creativity. Once complete, this lantern becomes a glowing night light with a soft, calming LED display. It adds charm and warmth to any bedroom, playroom, or reading nook, using USB-powered LED lights that give off a beautiful shimmery glow. What we like. This kit provides a fun, engaging activity that results in a beautiful, personalized room decoration. It encourages creativity and hands-on building, perfect for a screen-free afternoon. If your teen loves arts and crafts and enjoys creating something unique for their space, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted or quoted as requested. Number 2. Harry and Henry Gold Stackable Rings. Discover the latest collection from Harry and Henry. These beautiful stackable rings are designed to add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Whether for women or teen girls, this set makes an ideal gift. They are versatile and suitable for various occasions, bringing joy to the wearer. Embrace the trend with simple yet captivating star, moon, and heart designs. This knuckle ring set offers a unique blend of modern and classic styles. Experience the charm of boho chic with this cute gold ring pack. Each piece is crafted to complement your individual style, making it a must-have accessory. Looking for the perfect present? This jewelry set is an excellent choice for a daughter's birthday or any special occasion. She will surely love them. What we like? This set offers multiple rings with trendy designs, perfect for mixing and matching or stacking for a personalized look. The gold finish adds a touch of elegance, making them suitable for various outfits. If your teen loves to accessorize and enjoys having versatile pieces to express their style, this is a must-consider. What people say. Number 1. Handmade Crochet Axolotl Gift for Daughter. Show your daughter how much she's cherished with this adorable, handmade plush. Crafted from soft yarn, it's a perfect token of affection from her parents, bringing warmth and comfort. Paired with an encouraging message, this cute plush is designed to uplift her. It reminds her she's never alone and always loved, offering a constant source of comfort. Whether it's for her birthday, Christmas, or just to brighten her day, this makes a meaningful gift. It's also a great stocking stuffer or a small token of love for any moment. With an inspirational message card, it offers positive reminders from her parents. This encourages self-confidence, resilience, and love, helping her feel supported every single day. This small and portable crochet axolotl is easy to carry, providing emotional comfort wherever she goes. It's a sweet, daily reminder of her parents' love and unwavering support. What we like? This adorable handmade plush comes with a heartfelt message, offering comfort and emotional support. It's a sweet, tangible reminder of love and encouragement from parents. If you want to give a gift that provides warmth, comfort, and a daily dose of positivity, this charming axolotl is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.